Today our topic is Current Affairs Part 10. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, PSU's exams. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. The report of Malimat Committee is related to which of the following? The given options are A. Criminal justice system reform, B. Textile sector reforms, C. Stock market reform, D. Judicial latency. The given option A is correct one, criminal justice system reform. The Malimat Committee gave 158 recommendations, but these were not implemented by the successive government. Recommendations of the committee. Name the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. The given options are Babulal Marandi, B. Arjun Munda, C. Hemant Soren, D. Raghubar Das. The given option C is correct one, Hemant Soren. Hemant Soren is the correct and 7th Chief Minister of Jharkhand. What is the rank of India in the Climate Change Performance Index 2021? The given options are A. 8th, B. 9th, C. 10th, D. 7th. The given option C is correct one, 10th. India has been ranked 10th position in the Climate Change Performance Index 2021. This year India slid down by one position as it was ranked 9th in last year's index. This Climate Change Performance Index 2021 was released on December 7, 2020. In December 2020, which public sector bank has launched the Atmanirbhar Women Scheme? The given options are A. Union Bank of India, B. Bank of Baroda, C. State Bank of India, D. Punjab and Sindh Bank. The given option B is correct one, Bank of Baroda. In December 2020, Bank of Baroda launched the Atmanirbhar Women Scheme as part of its Baroda Gold Loan. The main objective of this scheme is to make women self-reliant in India. Under this scheme, the bank will provide loans to women at a concession of 0.50%. Which was the first hill passenger railway opened in India 1881? The given options are A. Kalka Shimla Railway, B. Matharan Hillway Railway, C. Nilgiri Mountain Railway, D. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The given option D is correct one, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway was the first and is still the most outstanding example of a hill passenger railway. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also known as the DHR or toy train, is a 2-foot narrow gauge railway based on zigzag and loop line technology, which runs between New Jalpaiguri and Darjeeling in the Indian state of West Bengal. Built between 1879 and 1881 with 6 zigzags and 5 loops, the railway is about 88 kilometers long. Who among the following is the 2019 winner of the $1 lakh 9 dots prize? The given options are A. Anni Jaidi, B. Chetan Bhagat, C. Shashi Tharoor, D. Arundhati Roy. The given option A is correct one, Anni Jaidi. Anni Jaidi is the 2019 winner of the $1 lakh 9 dots prize. She won 9 dots prize for her entry titled Bread, Cement, Cactus. The winner receives US $1 lakh to write a short book expanding on their ideas. Which of the following public sector undertaking was given Maharatna status in February 2013? The given options are A. ONGC, B. BHEL, C. CIL, D. OL. The given option B is correct one, BHEL. The government in 2013 has granted Maharatna status to Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited and Gas Authority of India Limited. One of the eligibility criteria to be given the coveted status is that the company should have an average annual turnover over 25,000 crore during the last 3 years. Aviation Multi-Skill Development Center has been recently inaugurated in which of these cities? The given options are A. Chandigarh, B. Chennai, C. Hyderabad, D. Bangalore. The given option A is correct one, Chandigarh. Union Civil Aviation Minister P. Ashok Gajapati Raju inaugurated a one of its kind Aviation Multi-Skill Development Center in Chandigarh. The center is equipped with modern training infrastructure to supplement an industry-relevant course curriculum. India's longest river ropeway has been unveiled in which of the following states in India? The given options are A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Meghalaya. The given option is A. Assam. On August 24, 2020, India's longest river ropeway was unveiled in Guwahati, Assam. The 1.82 kilometers bi-cable zigzag ropeway is built across river Brahmaputra. It connects Kachari Ghat on the southern bank in the main city to North Guwahati. Which country first introduced the goods and service tax? The given options are A. Canada, B. France, C. Germany, D. USA. The given option is B. France. France, the first country to implement GST in 1954. Today, 160 countries have GST. Most European countries introduced GST back in the 1970s and 80s. The US is the only major economy that does not have GST. States enjoy high autonomy. China implemented GST in 1994, while Russia did it in 1991. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.